Good morning class 12. Today we are going to start the new chapter matrices, that is chapter number 3. Here we have introduction, terminology and notation. First let us have the definition part of matrix. As by name, matrix is a singular form of matrices. Matrix is a singular form of matrices. And what is matrix? It is a rectangular array of numbers consisting of m horizontal rows and n vertical columns. M horizontal rows and n vertical columns. Here you see we have number of rows and these are called number of columns. So we have, this is called m into n matrix. Because m into matrix, you can say also that it's a matrix of order m into n. For entries, for entry or elements, you see that A11. A11 is nothing but that is row number 1 and column number 1. What is A32? That is row number 3 and column number 2. That is entry or elements Aij. I is the row subscript while J is the column subscript. And a general matrix is sometimes noted by Aij m into n. So let us understand with the help of an simple example. So students, please remember this thing that a matrices are denoted using bold uppercase letters. I repeat, matrices are denoted using bold uppercase letters. So for example, if I take an example, let A matrix, we have elements or entries like this: 1 minus 2 1, minus 2 3, 1 5, minus 7 and 3. This is a matrix of 3 rows and 3 columns. This is the matrix of 3 into 3. 3 into 3 means we have 3 rows and 3 columns. And A is, we can say, of order 3 into 3. It's the order of 3 into 3. Matrix order of 3 into 3. Now, first of all, we have a rows. First we have rows and then we have columns. First we have rows, that is m into n. This is the rows and n is the columns. Now again, the number of rows are 3 and number of columns is 3. For entries, the entries, we are saying entries, or you can write it as elements. Elements of A. If I take the A matrix, the elements are the numbers. So these are denoted to their position. वो पोजीशन डिनोट करते हैं सब. चलिए हमें बताते हैं आपको कि Aij में, जैसे Aij आपने लिखा, पिछले हमने समझाया था. Aij क्या मतलब होता है? दैट इज एंट्री इन रो I एंड कॉलम J ऑफ A. सो मान के चलिए हम ले लेते हैं, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपका मैट्रिक्स A में वी राइट एज A31. सो A31 देखिए बच्चों, 3 का मतलब होता है रोज और 1 का मतलब होता है कॉलम. तो थर्ड रो और कॉलम नंबर 1, तीसरा रो, पहला रो, दूसरा रो, तीसरा रो, तो थर्ड रो एंड कॉलम नंबर 1, ये है आपका 5. सो दिस इज 5. थर्ड कॉलम, फर्स्ट रो, this is nothing but 5. Similarly, let us take A22. That is row 2, column 2. Row 2, column 2. It is 3. A31 हो गया. A33. That is nothing. That is, again we have 3. Third row and third column. A12. A12 is first row, second column. First row, second column. So first row का और second column का, that is -2. So इससे पहचान जाते हो कि ये जो elements है, ये जो entries है, ये कैसे पहचाने जाते हैं? That is, you will see that first you will go row and then you will go for column. So this is the value of 5. A31 is 5, A22 is 3, A column row 3, column 3, that is 3, row 1, column 2, that is -2.